Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Hostinger Invoice. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and log into your Hostinger H panel, and once you're logged in here on the left hand side, I want you to scroll down until you see billing. Click on billing, and then here you should see payment history. Click on payment history, and then you'll see your payment ID, invoice ID right here. Go ahead and click on this, and then here you'll see download invoice. I want you to click on that, and that will go ahead and download the invoice, which you can open up in a new tab. So I'll go ahead and open up that invoice, and as you can see, we have our invoice right here. We have the invoice number, the description, the amount, everything here as well. So you can go ahead and save this. You can go ahead and print it as well if you want, but it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, though, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.